Run away, Lucio. He's got Lucio ult. Aw, oh, man. I can't hit people who don't look at me, so instead we're going for the right click. Okay, we got 3 solid right clicks in there, boys. And then you got all the people who are like, oh my god, Seagull, what do you think about XQC being suspended? And it's like, well, he's a fucking moron and he got banned. He's banned for a month.
We should push around the corner on them. Yeah.
What a surprise.
Oh, wait, they were.
Sorry, he's weak.
Scoring monkey.
Christian's behind them, that's great.
Scored Zaddy.
She's one. She's not reach, Nice.
Is that discorded in the back still?
Mercy's one. Zarya's half. Zarya no shield, Nice.
He's discorded.
We can shred this guy.
Mocha Giga! Kite it out, kite it, run, just keep running, keep kiting. Oh, fuck. They're so fucked, Damage was me!
Oh my god!
A great read from the Spitfire, and I think we can expect them to keep reading into their opponents and playing accordingly.
That's the one recurring theme I've seen throughout this entire series, is the fact that London Spitfire are very quick to adapt, and Valiant are taken off guard a little bit. So we get a background there, yeah. But they're quick to adapt, right? And Valiant.
Night after all. And I can't wait to wake up tomorrow to a Reddit thread over analyzing me calling XQC a moron. It's gonna be a FeelsRedditMan. I don't know how to describe that. The fact that me calling like a friend a moron for doing something stupid becomes a Reddit post, that's the most Reddit thing I've ever heard.
But I like the SKC, like when he's shouting, like it feels really great sometimes. That I've done it, so I like it. Yeah, he always have the positive energy on him, so when he's shouting like that, so I like it. Tell him that. I'm so shy, guys, so I don't want to tell him.
Making a huge play.
Don't fist long.
What?!
It'll take more than that to stop me.
Oh my god, I'm actually done. Holy.
Come on, take Lucio! Lucio, more quad tank poggers!
Moira, no Zen.
Do I go Orisa or Monkey or Ryan for tank?
Moira? You should go Ryan.
Yeah, okay. Go. You go to point! We speak the point!
Yeah.
Ready? Go now, speed it up!
See. Point.
Lucio, here.
If there is a...
Let go.
I hooked Orisa.
Finish off.
Dead! Easy clap! Fat strats, let's go!
Getting Mercy low. No! Yeah, GG guys.
Yeah.
It's okay. We did great.
I love you.
I mean, look, if he wants to play an Overwatch League, he knows what to do. It's his choice. It's not about the comment, man. You really think Dallas Fuel banned someone for a fucking month over that comment? It's possible. According to this, I guess. Or maybe you think there's some, maybe he's been having some other issues. What do you think?
We close the dog. Nice.
I just I just feel like if the 2000 does not go to some LGBT thing, which is directly related to the actual fine, then I'll literally match it and donate 2000 myself to some LGBT thing myself. It's otherwise it's irrelevant. It's literally irrelevant to be fined then. I feel like I could be wrong though. I don't know how sports work and shit like that. Mercy died. The cameras should be it.
Push. You can do this as many times as you want if Blade comes out for Jake.
This is it. He needs to find the kills, and he's not going to do it. For once, Jake not able to get any value out of his ultimate apart from positioning, forcing Dallas back. But they did a great job of sticking together. Dallas, in effect, drops out of nowhere. Doesn't get the kill, but that was so close. Jake just had a heart attack.
Jake, the escape artist right there, and I would beg to differ that he didn't get anything out of that Dragon Blade. Sometimes you can consider it a success if you force out a Transcend, which he did in that fight. So the support ultimates now both being...
Is TaiRong as much of a meme IRL as he is on Twitter? Yeah, he's pretty funny. I like TaiRong. He's a very funny guy in person. He's also a great coach. Like, he's very motivated, and the amount of work that TaiRong and Hyeon-woo put in on our behalf to, like, make the team better is, like, it makes me want to always be... I feel like when I'm not in the studio, I should be in the studio, because I feel like TaiRong and Hyeon-woo are. This is, like, one of the first times I've been here alone. Normally, it's like always TaiRong and Hyeon-woo sitting here doing work next to me. Like watching VODs, creating data spreadsheets, scouting other teams, watching our VODs, making notes, like making stuff for review, making coaching documents. Like they're always working, which is fucking awesome. It's like inspiring. Want to work harder.